welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys, something a little bit different. Now, we've seen this on the channel before, but I have been sent this by Partwork Upgrades, and I will put the link down in the description down below where you can get this from. But here it is. So, I was contacted by Ian about a month ago or so, asking, you know, the original nameplate he created for me and said, look, I really want to do you another one. What do you want on it? So I said, okay, no problem. I asked him what I'd really like put on it to display with my Hachette Titanic, and guys, here it is. So there we have it. So I had put on mine, built at Harland and Wolff, Belfast by Mark's Mods. Now, this is different from the previous one. So it comes in a fantastic, lovely presentation box. The packaging is amazing. But if I get this out, this, guys, is brass. So if before what we had was a resin piece, and then we had the nice graphic over it, but this is brass. So we've actually got an upgraded sign for the Titanic, and this is amazing. I mean, the thickness, as you can see, it's a nice thick piece. It's not bendy like the previous one Hachette gave you, which could bend very easily, and it's got exactly what I wanted putting on it as well. Also, you've got the graphics like we had last time. So we've got the White Star Line logo, we've got Captain Smith there, and yeah, this is amazing. It really is. It is a lot better than, it pops out more than the other one. Ian did say brass was the way to go, and I agree. I mean, I was happy with my previous one, I really was, but that just yeah, that just sets that off really, really nicely. Now, it does come with the 3M tape on the back, so we can put this straight onto our stand, and that's what I'm going to do in a second. Now, I'm going to do that off camera, just because of the size of the stand and everything else like that. And then what I'll do is I'll show you this on the stand. I'm going to keep my old one because I am doing the Trumpeter Titanic as well, and I think that would be fantastic to display it with the Trumpeter Titanic. So I'm definitely not going to do nothing with the previous one. But like I said, yeah, I'm really, really tough with this. It's so shiny, it's unbelievable. So what we'll do is I'm just going to stop the camera. I'm going to put this on the stand for the Titanic, and then we'll have a look at it once it's on the stand. So back in a sec. Okay guys, so here we are, we're back, and here is the new nameplate on the stand. Looking beautiful. So, well, it's not new, it's the upgraded nameplate. That is really, really nice with it being brass. That is amazing. I'm really, really chuffed with that. I'm going to keep my old one because yeah, like I said, I can use that with the Trumpeter Titanic. I do that many probably Titanic models, yeah. It doesn't matter, I always need them, but that is amazing. So that is what that is looking like now. Truly amazing, guys. I'm really, really impressed with these. So I'll put the link down in the description below. If you want to get this yourself, please head over to partworkupgrades.com, and yeah, there's loads of stuff over there. So yeah, you won't be you'll be very spoilt for choice. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.